philosophy that holds one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently dismantled and abandoned, there shall be war.
It has always been the right of the occupied to resist.
War, terrorism, resistance, occupation, manipulation, lies, deceit, propaganda.
Why should the terrorism of the occupier not be called terrorism? Who are the real terrorists?
How can anyone be proud to be British? Especially in one lifetime. Condemn the terror acts in Mumbai, but what about the terrorists in uniform in Kashmir?
Why should Kashmir be fought over by those who don't have any right to it?